5 exercise 2D game show, and it's the left hand. So here's middle C. We have got D flat octaves, and there's 4 of them staccato. The first of the 4 is strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you change to F at the bottom, keep your thumb on D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this time 3 on G flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time you've only got 2 with A flat and D flat. Then your thumb moves to C. Then you repeat back to D flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. F at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 with G flat. Then move your thumb to C and A flat. Then we're down to A flat, D flat, and then low D flat. Okay, I'm going to do that again.